Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Mexico is winning the car manufacturing war. We'll explore the key factors contributing to its success, from strategic geographic advantages to a skilled workforce. Understanding these elements will reveal why Mexico has become a dominant force in global automotive production. Let's dive into the details of this impressive growth. One major advantage for Mexico is its competitive labor costs, which attract significant investment from global automakers. Furthermore, its strategic location, sharing a long border with the United States, drastically cuts transportation times and costs for vehicles destined for the North American market. This combination creates a powerful incentive for manufacturers. Mexico benefits immensely from robust trade agreements, particularly with North America, ensuring smooth, tariff-free movement of goods. This certainty, combined with substantial foreign direct investment, has led to the construction of numerous state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. These investments underscore global confidence in Mexico's automotive future and its capacity for high-volume production. Mexico's automotive production has consistently grown, establishing it as a major global player, especially in light vehicle exports. This growth is not just about volume, it also involves integrating advanced manufacturing technologies. Looking ahead, Mexico is poised for continued expansion, solidifying its position as a powerhouse in the international car manufacturing landscape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.